You drink coffee to survive, right? Well, your Python code survives on these 5 libraries. If you are ever thinking about learning data science or machine learning, these 5 libraries are your survival kit. Without them, it's like trying to build a rocket with Lego bricks. Number 1 is NumPy. Think of it as your maths ninja. It makes arrays, does fast calculations, and gives Python a brain upgrade. Number 2 is Pandas. Got messy data? Pandas is your cleanup crew. It's like Excel but on beast mode. Option 3 is Seaborn. Ever made a graph that looks like a potato? Use Seaborn. It makes your data visual looks fire without the headache. Option 4 is Scikit-learn. Want to predict the future? This is your machine learning toolbox from training model to testing them, and it's just plug and play. Option 5 is TensorFlow, the heavyweight champ of deep learning, used by Google, mastered by legends, and now by you. Learning these libraries is like unlocking cheat codes in Python. Want to master them without the boring stuff? Follow me or join my class where I break it down step by step. See you there.